which ones are useful and which ones are not. Pay attention. Hey dear unique, dear friend, welcome to my channel. This is Amira. You know, oh my god, dear, put the cell phone away. Limit it. Using social media a lot, if it's not useful and not part of your job, if it's not a good source of income for you, it's not useful. It's useless. So you should put it aside. You know, social media is just one example. What else is your life filled with that is holding you back? Like too many useless meetings, you know? You are in the midst of many fake lives on social media and in superficial and stupid gatherings, you know? You are missing every single opportunity because these affect your real life. Because you are choosing, your opportunities are becoming meaningless. You don't see? Look deep. Look deep where you are and what you have. Look deep. You are seeing the moments that you have lived and have passed. Isn't that right? Your opportunities are gone and you cannot, you can no longer relive them. They're gone. You cannot do anything about them. You can't do anything about them. You cannot get them back. And that's truth. Empty vessels that you can only look at so that you don't repeat that bad choices about your life, your moments, your opportunities. You know, I think you have to think about another life where every opportunity is for you, just for you. You know, they must be so deep and lasting. You see, it's starting from this moment, you know. For example, the trees you planted in the past, growing and bearing fruit. Are you satisfied? You know, your life begins from the moment you hear this. It has begun. Monitor it. Pay attention. Yeah. Monitor your actions. Which ones are useful and which ones are not. pay attention. Okay? Dear unique God. Motorcycle. Okay. So always remember there is only one you. No one can take your place. You also cannot take someone else's place. Focus on yourself, on your energy. Okay? Have fun. Love you. I love you. Bye.